And today, Colty and I are excited to show you this right here. And this is a little monster truck that's waterproof by DEERC. It has tank style steering. It's got little suspension shocks on it, so it actually has a working suspension. It has horns. Look at all the detail. It's got a big mouth and eyes. It's got horns out the sides, and it even has horns down the back. And the horns are a nice soft rubber, so they're not going to pose any danger to anyone. So very, very cool. And it even has a little wheelie bar here on the back. Colty, you ready to try it? It's the Fire Dragon.
Yeah.
You ready to try the Fire Dragon?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the controller.
Yeah, but on this one, can we do it?
You get to do it.
Yeah, I want to drive it.
Cool. All right, ready? Hold on, wait till I say go. All right, so Colty's gonna drive the truck for us. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Not in the pool. Whoa, look how fast it is. Back up.
Whoa.
Here, I have an idea. Let's take it over here, where we have more room. Whoa, that thing's fast. Back up. Push the trigger forward. Oh, good job. Come over here.
I want to see where it went. Ooh.
Squeeze that. All right, so Colty's gonna let Daddy try. You ready?
You see?
You got tank style steering. It turns on a dime like that. You got forward, you got reverse, you can turn. What do you think, Colty?
Cool.
Is this your new favorite truck?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look! Oh, Daddy pulled a wheelie. Watch this. You go backwards and then, whoop.
I want to take it back over.
Too hard of a wheelie, huh? Get Colty. Very, very cool.
Okay.
Now Colty wants to see if it's waterproof.
Okay.
Are you excited about that part?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me put right here.
Wait, not in the deep end.
Oh.
Here, come over here by the stairs.
Okay.
Because I don't know if it's going to sink. If it sinks. Whoa! Dude! How cool is that?
Woo!
Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Look at that thing go. It actually floats like a boat. So this is a little DEERC waterproof monster truck. It's amphibious, as you can see. You can drive it in the pool, you can drive it in the dirt, mud, rain. You can hose it off when you're done, and it's going to be perfectly fine. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.